Tara, let's hunt a matcha drink. After kong kumain ng seafoods, bigla akong nainom kasi naman wala din namang binibentang drinks yung mga shops na kinainan ko. And since mahangin at malamig, naghanap talaga ako ng matcha drink kasi may nakita ko sa vlog na may matcha nga dito. Anyway, medyo struggle umorder dito. Ito yung convo namin.
Matcha the coffee, matcha the coffee, matcha the milk and sugar, and matcha the lemon.
Sorry, I don't understand. This with sugar.
Matcha the coffee,
This one.
matcha the milk and sugar, matcha the coffee.
No sugar with this.
Sugar, it has already done.
Okay.
Mix up.
Oh, I want this one. Buti na lang nagkaintindihan na kami ni ate. So, yan nga, umorder na ako ng matcha cappuccino which is worth 500 yen. Pay as you order dito and cash ulit yung mode of payment. May matcha ice cream din pala sila dito pero since giniginawa ko, wag mo ng ice cream. Nagtingin-tingin muna nga ako dito sa shop nila at madaming klase ng green tea ang binibenta nila. May loose leaf, may powder. And by the way, kakonti lang pala yung seating capacity nila dito. Nakabalik na nga ako dito sa seat ko pero wala pa rin yung matcha drink ko. Pero okay lang yun kasi nakikita ko naman si Manong na ginagawa na yung drink ko at manual niyang ginagawa talaga yung drink.